Welcome to my channel. The wooden spoon. Let's make banana trifle. Add banana custard in a glass and refrigerate it. Add crushed biscuits on it. Add hot jelly on it and wait till it sets. Add a layer of chia seeds on it. Add the cooked banana paste on it. Banana, lemon and sugar. Decorate it with bananas. Add banana custard in a glass and refrigerate it. Add crushed biscuits on it. Add cream on it and let it set. Add cut jelly, let it set. Add crushed biscuit on it. Add banana paste on it, set it. Decorate it with grapes. Banana trifles are ready. Subscribe, like and share.